How to turn on or off iPhone power off sounds. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Accessibility features help you customize your iPhone for your individual needs. Inside the Accessibility menu, scroll down to the Hearing section and tap on Audio and Visual. This section allows you to customize audio and visual settings for your device. Here, scroll down until you see the Power On and Off Sounds option. Simply tap on the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. To enable, again, simply turn on the switch. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off the Power Off sound on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.